The initiative to allow blacklisted PTPTN borrowers to get housing loans was shot down by personal financial expert Kauthar Rozmal. He said that loan borrowers who are already unable to pay off their existing debts will have added burden through this, resulting in bankruptcy.
I think it's not good because if the first we must look why they are blacklisted. Mostly because they can't afford to pay. So if they can't afford to pay 200 ringgit, 300 ringgit per month, how can they afford to pay 1,500, 2,000 for their housing loans? And I think everyone is familiar with the subprime crisis during 2008. And if we make everyone can have loans, everyone even with the bad credit score can have loans up to 300,000, 400,000, we will trigger another crisis.
However, Housing and Local Government Minister Zuraida does not agree that PTPTN borrowers will end up in bankruptcy should they be given a chance to buy their first home. But she added that this initiative is limited to borrowers that are earning below 3,000 ringgit and wishes to own a house not exceeding 300,000 ringgit.
SICRIS is a system where the bank use as a information system to see whether the standing of the debts of the applicant. Okay, so for a fresh graduate, the only possible debt that they have is the PTPN. So, but they have excess income that would be able to make them to own houses. So that is why they allow us to exempt PTPN SICRIS list to be approved for housing loans.
Meanwhile, Chief Executive Officer of RAM Credit Information, Don Lai, seconds the minister and says as long as the borrowers understand the importance of maintaining a positive credit history, this is feasible. She also added that educational loans are seen from a different perspective and banks will observe the borrower's overall credit history. Adding to this, the Chief Executive Officer of iMoney Group, Mithul Lakhani, said banks should look at this on a case-to-case basis and observe the borrower's overall portfolio. He said this after the iMoney empowering Malaysians through the launch of iMoney Credit Score in Kuala Lumpur.
Last week, Housing and Local Government Minister Zuraida said first-time home buyers burdened with student loans may stand a chance to own their very first home following the move to exempt them from being blacklisted by SICRIS. However, there's still a lot of questions revolving around this issue. First of all, we have not heard from the Finance Ministry themselves. We have not heard from Bank Negara Malaysia, and most importantly, PTPTN has not brought out an official statement. There's still a lot of confusion and unanswered questions. I am Preeta Manivanan for 7 Edition.